I'm floating. What do you want me to do? Come here, Kate. You want to ride?
Dad, you're tipping it.
What's the matter, Alex? Are you scared?
Daddy, because you're tipping it.
You're gonna yell, Daddy's gonna tip it on purpose.
Come here, Caitlin. You want to ride? You want to ride, Caitlin?